Alright, so we've dealt with the sound problem. And so what we did, this is toolbox liner, and these are little lead weights. So I used some goop, use that stuff. Got a couple of weights in through the roof right here. I think there's like 5 of them in a row. And I cut a strip of this, and I lined the top, and I took some tape, taped it into the end, and let's listen to it now. Okay. It's better. We killed off a bunch of the really high noise. And actually, now this thing, I'm fine with this sound. I could do more. But I'm okay with that sound. Look at the nice slow speed we get with this. That's pretty good. Cruising along, yard speed. That's probably pretty good. That's not bad. That right there, I'm good with that sound, and I'm going to keep it at that. And it sounds pretty good. Next up, we're going to do couplers and handrails, and then I need to do a little more work on the drive shaft so I can make the 15-inch radius curve. That's our goal, is to make 15 inches. And I think we can make it. We need to do a little more drive shaft preparation, and then we should be good to go.